I'm Longster 1970 and today I'm going to be coating my bed with this Herculiner truck bed liner. I've already done some work to the bed. Now I have to clean the bed off and I'm going to wash it down. I'm going to clean it with some super clean. Wash it down, let it dry, scuff up the paint, blow it off, and then treat it with acetone to prep it for putting this on. So let's get started. Okay, I'm going to be spraying the truck down with this super clean. Get Okay, I'm going to go and blow some of this off, see if I can get it dried out a little bit. And then I got to scuff the paint up. Okay, next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using this Scotch-Brite pad and scuff up the shiny areas of the paint so that the bed liner can attach to it, basically. I think that's about it. Now I'm going to get some masking tape. I'm going to tape off the parts that I don't want painted. I'm probably going to need a utility knife. Let me get that. Okay, you can see that I put tape on here. There's grommets here. I covered up on the corners and I covered up here across the front. Hopefully good enough. I don't get any paint down in there. So I want to paint across here also. I'm going to clean everything up with acetone. I'm going to turn that fan off. So let me go and do that. I'm going to be wiping this down with this pre-painting prep that I got from Eastco. And I've got a box of rags here that I'm going to be using. Okay, that should be it. I gotta see where the cap went and let this dry for a little bit. Okay, I gotta stir this stuff up, and it's thin on top and it is thick on the bottom. Might just go and use this brush that they included and paint over the hooks. I'm gonna have to get the corners with the brush. Slippery. I don't know. I might be able to get them. I'm going to paint them just in case. time doing this, so I'm not sure what to expect. Ah. There we go. It's very thick. Let that sit for a couple hours. You gotta do the tailgate. Flip this over. And I'll come back to put the second coat on. Well, it's been 2 hours and it should be good. Doesn't feel tacky, so I'm gonna go and put another coat on it and then I should be done. This time I'm gonna wear a mask because the last time it got pretty fumey in here. So here we go. Oh, I'll put those covers back on. I gotta get, like I said, I gotta get the tailgate put back on. I have a couple bumpers that went on here I need to take care of, and I think I'll pull this tape off while it's still wet, and that might keep it from sticking. So that'll do it. This is what the bed looks like on the 2001 Ford F-150 after I've got the bed liner painted on. Still see some imperfections where I did some repairs to it, but I think it came out pretty good. Well, that'll do it for installing the Herculiner on the bed of the 2001 Ford F-150. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.